Happy wife, happy life.
Milk, milk, milk! Daddy, where's our milk? Gutom na yung dalawa. Daddy, hurry up! Ang tagal ni Daddy.
That's when you go to get mistakes. I hope I got all the parts in this bottle.
It's Daddy's duty to clean the house.
Yeah.
He already cleaned the bathroom.
I only took a nap earlier because the kids were sleeping. I cleaned the bathroom, I did the dishes. I still have to clean the kitchen. But I don't know if I'm gonna have time.
Why?
Well, I'm gonna have to make a bottle here soon because he's starting to.
Brayden is sleeping. Here's Dawson in my arms. Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you too.
Hi guys! Gagala kami. Nilagyan ko silang pacifier kasi nagbibihis ako para matahimik. Ayan. Baby, usog ka, baka masuntok ka ni Pacquiao. Si Manny Pacquiao to. Lagi nanununtok sa kuya niya. Ayan, bibihis muna ako and Kalbo ay nag-shower. So, I'm going to entertain them with music. Padarin ko din to. Ayan guys, ready na sila. Ang hirap pag-aalis. Grabe, ang daming abobot. Iwasan ko lang umiyak sila kasi it's going to be like a 30 minutes travel. So, I don't want them to be crying at the back. Hold on, baby. Here's your pacifier, oh. Naantok na kasi. So guys, this is our first attempt to go out with the twins. Actually, we're going to Kohl's to do a little bit of shopping, like summer. We're gonna look for summer clothes for them kasi meron na silang mga summer clothes because we got coupons. And Kalbo is off today. It's Friday and I'm going back to work soon, so we're just gonna try to go out. Let's see. Kung mag-iiyak sila at magwawala, saglit lang kami doon. So, we're on the road now. How are you there, Daddy?
I'm good up here.
Sinong katabi ni Daddy? Wala.
Back there?
He's alone. The twins are sleeping. Ayan. Pacifier yung kanilang pampakalma para hindi umiyak. They're both sleeping. It's really nice out today. It's not that bad. Andito na kami guys. Hirap na hirap kami sa pagbaba, sa paglagay sa stroller. At ayan, umiiyak na yung isa. We probably have to go home. Huh?
He doesn't want to shop.
We probably have to go home soon. Who's crying?
Brayden, I think the one of them last.
Yeah, it's Brayden. You need to fix him. So yun guys. Who is this? Dawson don't like his stroller, so I have to carry him. But Brayden likes it, so it's with Daddy. Let me see, Daddy.
His seat lays down a lot more.
Ayaw namin ang stroller na yan. Mas gusto namin yung side by side, so we might, I don't know what we're gonna do. We might end up buying the other stroller.
I wanted a side by side.
That is a gift, hon. We didn't buy that.
Yeah, but I think they asked. And you
So yun guys. I didn't even get a chance to look for baby clothes. We will never go out again until they're old. It's just hard kasi nga ano, medyo malamig pa, tapos yun, maliit pa sila, and then Dawson don't like to be in the stroller kasi ang pangit ng stroller, nakaganon siya, hindi yung isang upuan hindi mo siya mapapahiga. But Brayden likes it because he was laying.
Yeah, one lays down more than the other.
Huh?
One of them lays down more than the other. When
Yeah.
he gets a little bit older, they'll be fine. It wasn't designed. I have to look at the instructions. I thought you could put the car seat on it,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure how.
Hindi namin alam kung paano ilagay yung car seat, kaya
I have to find
yun, ang hirap. So, now we're just gonna go take home some food, like, what is it? Raising Cane's. Raising Cane's, we love Raising Cane's. It's chicken tenders, tsaka french fries, and bread. So yun, magte-take out na lang kami, and then we're gonna go home. We're supposed to get something for his mother kasi yung mother-in-law ko ay birthday niya sa next week.
Yeah.
We're supposed to get a bracelet kasi yun ang gusto niya, kaya lang ano, hindi na kami makapaghintay kasi ang tagal ng ano doon, pila.
Checking on chicken with Tom Music and
Hi.
hi, what can I get for you?
Can I get 3 of the 3-finger combos?
Three-finger combos. What do you want to drink?
Sprite, and then 2 Coke Zeros.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
2120 second drink.
All right.
Yeah.
Hello. Let me see the second window. Yes.
So guys, here's na our food. Ito naman kami kakain sa sasakyan.
I got a red light
We
so I
will
can
never eat inside the restaurant. Ayan, ang aking food kay Calvo, ayun. And we also got one for Ashley kasi nasa bahay siya. The twins are sleeping. Kawawa naman ang twins ko. They're hungry. We're going home na, and they're gonna have some milk when we got home. We're home na guys, and we're hungry. Daddy's working on our bottle. Ayan na si Brayden, gising. Nagiyak na, gusto na ng dede. Dawson is still sleeping. So unahin ko muna tong isa. Ito pala yung binili ko sa Kohl's. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hindi na ako nakabili ng marami kasi kita nyo naman yung mga bata nag-iiyak. So it was a speed shopping. I got this for a very cheap price kasi I always look for the clearance section kasi doon ako bumibili ng pampadala sa Pinas, mga damit, kasi sobrang bagsak presyo talaga siya. Kaya lang ngayon, I can't shop now.
She only could look about half a rack and that was it.
I know, I can't even.
I didn't even get a look around. I was trying to videotape because she was looking so fast it was funny, and I'm holding him and to try to quiet him down, and I was trying to hold the camera and I couldn't.
Kasi kapag ganitong nagpapalit na ng season, yung mga damit nila talagang bagsak presyo na, kaya I want to look at the clearance section para may padala ko sa pamilya ko sa Pinas, mga damit, nagaganda. Kaso, ngayon hanggang online na lang ako, kaya lang pag online, they don't really have like very cheap price online. You can really get some at the store. So I got this for $2. Yan, 100 pesos. It's really cute. Dalawa yan. Papadala ko sa amin.
It's okay.
Wow. And,
No,
well, this
Mommy
one
didn't get you nothing.
is for me. It's cute. And I also bigay ko sa aking pamangkin.
Oh, we did get you something.
Kasi pag December, di ba, medyo malamig. Lalo na sa probinsya. So, ayan. Yun lang ang nabili ko. Nainis ako kasi ang daming sale doon. But, we got this for the twins. We got this for, I think,
$2.50.
$2. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a book. Storybook. So, yun lang, guys. My 2-hour shopping was cut off to 30 minutes.
More like 3 minutes.
Kaya lang ganun talaga. Hindi na ako makakapag-shopping. Maybe I'll wait until they're a little bit older. So, mamimili pa ako ng mga panglagay ko sa balikbayan box. We're planning to send one to my family. Do you wanna end, Han, with me? Kalbo. Nagwawala na si Dawson. So, yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dawson. Bye, baby.
Say
Bye, baby.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.